Hi guys, so I'm going to talk to you about my tool matrix, and I did every subject from reading, writing, math, social studies, science, and social skills. So if I go back up to the top, most of my strategies are the same for universal design of learning. Each student needs that. We need collaborative learning. Students also need think, pair, share for those that are ELs or SPED. Definitely differentiation, and we need our set framework because this is why what we learned in the class. So different hardwares I included were like Kindles and iPads, interactive whiteboards, Chromebooks. For tools, I did simple stuff such as highlighters and sticky notes, all the way down to speech recognition and eye gaze. I did add a whole bunch of the apps that I learned from our SET team, which is pretty cool. I also included for writing, we need assistive keyboards, digital recorders, all the way down to communication boards. And I also added something called an Eco 14, and Google Chrome extensions help students with the reading portion. Math, I included a tool called Subinet. It's a link if you guys want to click on it, it'll take you there. MathPad Plus is a download for an iPad, which was pretty cool. And then I also added some different stuff over here, such as PECs, and you also, math card games are really popular for some of the schools that I've subbed at. And then for social studies, I did an eTran board, communication boards, a speech recognition. I did Twitter for both science and for social studies because Twitter has so much information that students can learn so much. For the social skills, I did Flipgrid, Class Dojo, board games. These are all interactive things that you have to do in a group, and I felt that they would be extremely beneficial, and they're so easy to get a hold of.